Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BRUH token. BRUH is the ticker symbol. This token just got listed today, May 11th, on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Bruhcoin. So the Bruhcoin just got listed on a central exchange today, May 11th. They got listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there. Go into the trade section, search BRUH, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, this is on the Arbitrum blockchain. They have 74,179 holders already. So they're doing insanely well on holders here, unless they were all just airdropped. That is possible, but it looks like there's, well, it actually looks like a lot of claims here. It could have been a lot of airdrops, but yeah, anyways, they have a lot of holders, 74,179 addresses. That's the thing, when you see holders, they could have airdropped 1,000 holders and then they have 1,000 holders, right? And not a single person bought the token. You never know. You'd have to scroll through every single transaction on their block explorer to see how specifically people got tokens. Were they swapping? Were they claiming? What was going on, right? So, yeah, anyways, 332,000 transfers, 6 decimal places on this token, and a total supply of 69 trillion Bruhcoins. So they have some socials. They have a Twitter at Bruharb, and Arb is short for Arbitrum, obviously, because this is on the Arbitrum blockchain. Then we have their Twitter is also at, so Twitter and Telegram are both Bruharb. And then their official webpage is bruhcoin.co. So all it says on Mexc Global's announcement page is, welcome to Bruh, the meme coin that takes all those overused crypto features and mashes them into one project. So it says on their Twitter, this unites all of the crypto features under one roof. So that's basically what they're doing here. They have 9,863 Twitter followers. Now, if you look at their Twitter, they have basically like a link tree as their pinned tweet. It says Bruh info. They have their webpage, Telegram, Twitter, then contract address. They talk about how they just got listed today on Camelot. They also just airdropped people today, so that's, probably where a lot of people got tokens from, was the airdrops. And then also listed on Mexc Global today. So you can get this also off Camelot. Now, if you wanted to get it off Camelot, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum through the Arbitrum blockchain. Then you would go into the dApps Find Camelot. Then you would trade your wrapped ETH for the Bruhcoin using the contract address that you could find on their pinned tweet here. And you could also find it on their webpage, I'm sure, and other places. But just make sure you have the right contract address. And it says there is a 3% buy and sell tax. So you'd have to set your slippage somewhere around 3% if you're going to buy or sell this token off of Camelot. Now, it does have tokenomics here, token allocation, in their pinned tweet as well. And it says 40% of the tokens go to the liquidity pool, 20% to airdrops, 15% marketing, 10% staking rewards, so you'll be able to stake this token. 10% goes to the team, and that is locked for 6 months. And then they have something called the BRA to earn rewards. So you can get rewards somehow. And then it says the tax will be used for buybacks of the BRA tokens and then burn them. So that's what taxes are for on there. Now, if you head over to their official web page, let me pull that up here. They got tokenomics, roadmap. They have an AI section. You can connect your wallet to the web page. There's a buy now button, airdrops. You would connect your wallet, I'm sure, for airdrops and maybe staking in the future, I would assume. The ultimate meme coin that unites all BRA crypto features under one roof, making you chuckle as you ride the crypto wave. So what is Bruhcoin? It says, make history. Welcome to BRA, the meme coin that takes all those overused crypto projects, mashes them into one. Tired of the same old launchpad or staking or boring play-to-earn concepts? BRA's got your back, combining all these BRA-worthy features in a single side-splitting package. So it says a total of, that is 13.8 trillion BRA tokens are now available to be claimed by those who have claimed the ARB airdrop, held GMX, Magic, RDNT, AI Doge, Grail, or Rect before the snapshot. You can connect your wallet, and then there's a button that says you didn't connect the wallet. So yeah, then we went over token allocation already. So basically the only thing left is the roadmap here. So this is the BRA-tastic journey. So stage 1 is going to be staking, and then next coming up is going to be the BRA AI. So I'm assuming they're going to have, might be like a chat GPT type of like text thing, or it could be like an image generator. Doesn't really say, which is annoying. A lot of these utilities here that they're claiming that they're going to have in the future, they really don't have any of them right now. It says staking is live. I don't see where staking is, but maybe it's somewhere around here. I don't see it on their page at all. But yeah, so all these utilities here they claim are going to come out in the future. The BRA to earn, they don't even really explain what that is because they don't have a white paper or anything, right? Then they got BRA NFTs, a BRA pad, so like a launch pad, BRA chain, so their own blockchain, their own decentralized exchange, their own bridge, their own lending, their own metaverse. You know, all these things are supposed to come out. None of them are available right now. So just be aware of that. They got a couple different telegrams at the bottom of their webpage. Bruhcoin.co. That's where you can find the info, and you can find this token newly listed as of today on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there and leave a comment. What do you guys think about the Bruhcoin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.